Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world. A proposed policy regarding the way transgender students are treated is causing controversy in one Virginia school district. Supporters and critics of the issue attended a meeting at the London County Public Schools Administration Building. Tensions rose shortly after the gathering began and a recess was called. I would like to clarify for the public to understand that the new line policies that you all are undertaking have been the mandate by the State Board of Education in part of the legislation that I carried. That's the State Senator Jennifer Bosco speaking after a recent London County School Board meeting. Which she had sponsored, and the governor signed it into law in 2020. It requires the Virginia Department of Education to develop and make available of each school board model policies concerning the treatment of transgender students. And says those local school boards must then adopt policies of their own by the beginning of the 2021-2022 school. But as London County Public Schools prepare to do just that, Leesburg elementary teacher Tanner Cross spoke out against the proposed policy last month. Even as state senator who sponsored the legislation says that London County Public School is just following the state law. Evacuation orders issued in areas of Arizona where a wildfire is raging. And is also causing bumper-to-bumper traffic on the interstate. Go orders were given to residents living in the area after the so-called Walnut Fire grew significantly. Nearly 7,000 acres have been burnt with no containment. The American Red Cross has set up an evacuation and cooling centers in the area. No word yet on the cause of fire. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin is recommending a change in the military system to President Joe Biden. In a statement, Austin said the prosecution of sexual assaults in the military should not be in the hands of the commanders. In the spring, a Pentagon review panel suggested to Austin that independent authorities should decide the prosecution of service members in sexual assault cases. The suggestion is a big change from the military's previous stance, which was assault cases should be treated within the chain of command. No word yet on when the president will look into the matter. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.